Insurance? Okay, I know. It's a word that can feel a little complicated, right? Maybe even boring. But what if I told you it's all just monkey business? Seriously, stick with me, and by the end of this, you'll see exactly what I mean.
So, let's start with a weird question. What do bananas have to do with your bank account? The answer is, well, pretty much everything. We're about to use a super simple story about some monkeys and their bananas to unlock one of the most important financial ideas you'll ever come across.
Okay, let's dive in. Section 1, Monkey's Banana Problem. It's time to meet our hero. So this is Monkey, and look at that giant stash of bananas. He's a hard worker. This isn't just his dinner, it's his life's work, his savings, his retirement plan. You get the idea. Everything he values is right there in that pile.
But you know how it goes. Wherever there's something valuable, there's always a threat. And in this case, that threat is big, hungry, and lurking just out of sight. This Jaguar, he represents that sudden, totally unexpected disaster that could just wipe out everything Monkey has worked for.
And that brings us to our first big, important word, risk. It's really simple. It's just the chance that something bad might happen. It's that what-if question that keeps Monkey up at night. What if that Jaguar gets to my bananas?
On to Section 2, the insurance solution. So yeah, Monkey is worried, as he should be, but thankfully, he's not going to be alone for long.
And right on cue, here he is. Insurance Monkey. This guy's a problem solver. He sees Monkey's panic, he sees the Jaguar-sized risk, and he comes up with a pretty clever plan.
So the plan, the Banana Protection Plan, is brilliant because it's so simple. First, they identify the risk. That's the Jaguar. Easy. Then they agree to the plan. A little handshake. Now here's the key part. Monkey pays a small, totally affordable fee, just a few leaves each month. And in return, Insurance Monkey makes a huge promise. If that Jaguar does get the bananas, he'll replace them. You see the trade-off? A small, certain payment to avoid a massive, uncertain disaster.
And just like that, Monkey can finally chill out. He's traded that constant worry for peace of mind. I mean, the Jaguar might still be out there, but the risk of losing everything, that's gone.
But hold on. Just when you think the story is over, a new problem pops up. Section 3, a surprise treehouse claim.
So, Monkey is feeling great, right? His Banana Protection Plan is working like a charm. The Jaguar hasn't gotten a single banana. Everything seems totally secure.
And then this happens. A whole new problem emerges. And this one isn't a predator he can see coming. This is a risk to the very tree he stores his bananas in. All of a sudden, another monkey shows up out of nowhere, pointing and yelling that the treehouse Monkey lives in actually belongs to his family. Whoa. See, this isn't about something getting stolen. It's a dispute over ownership, a hidden risk Monkey never, ever thought about.
All right, Section 4, from bananas to banking. This is the big aha moment. This is where our little jungle story connects directly to your world. So let's connect the dots. Monkey's bananas? That's your stuff, your assets, like your car, your house, your savings. The Jaguar? Well, that's any unexpected disaster, right? A car accident, a house fire. Believes Monkey pays every month? Yep, those are your insurance premiums. And that surprise treehouse claim? That is a very real thing called a title claim on your property, a hidden risk that a special kind of insurance is built to protect you from.
So you see where this is going. We haven't really been talking about monkeys at all, have we? We've been talking about your life. The core idea is exactly the same, figuring out what could go wrong and having a financial safety net ready to catch you.
Okay, last section, Section 5, why this all matters. Let's really nail down the big takeaway here. When you strip everything else away, this is what insurance is. It's a tool. It's just a way to turn a potentially life-ruining, unpredictable loss into a small, predictable, and manageable expense.
So, here's what to remember. Risk is everywhere. It's just part of life. Insurance is the system we built to manage it, and it protects you not just from the obvious threats you can see, like the Jaguars, but also the hidden ones you'd never expect, like that treehouse claim. In the end, you're trading small, regular payments for something invaluable, peace of mind.
And that brings us to our final question, and this one is for you to think about. Our monkey had a Jaguar and a surprise ownership dispute. So, what are your bananas, and what's your biggest Jaguar? Answering that question for yourself? Well, that's the very first step to building your own financial peace of mind.